Students, some of you may have a cow at your farm. Do you remember how a cow reproduces its calf?
A cow gives direct birth to its calf.
A deer also gives direct birth to its fawn. Now, this is a hen. Unlike a cow, a hen does not give direct birth to its chick. A hen first lays an egg. Then its chick comes out of the egg.
A pigeon also first lays an egg, then its baby comes out of the egg.
Like animals reproducing in different ways, plants too reproduce in different ways. Now let us discuss about the different ways in which plants reproduce their babies. Have you eaten a sweet potato? We get the sweet potato from a sweet potato plant. Look at the sweet potato plant carefully. You can see the sweet potatoes there. Actually, sweet potatoes are the swollen roots of the sweet potato plant. They are thick and fleshy.
These thick, fleshy, and swollen roots of the sweet potato plant are also known as tubers.
Now look at the root of the sweet potato plant carefully. You can see some buds on the top of the root. Let us cut the top of the root, including the bud of a sweet potato plant. Now let us plant it in the soil. Do you know what would happen?
After some days, a new sweet potato plant grows out of the same bud.
Yes, the bud grows into a new sweet potato plant. So a sweet potato plant can reproduce from its tuberous root.
Like a sweet potato plant, plants like a yam plant, a dahlia plant, and an asparagus plant also have tuberous roots. These plants too reproduce from their tuberous roots.
Have you seen a sugarcane plant? This is a sugarcane plant. Let us look at the stem of the sugarcane plant.
You can see the buds on the stem of the sugarcane plant.
Let us cut the stem of the sugarcane plant and plant it in the soil. Do you know what would happen?
After some days, a new sugarcane plant grows out of the same bud present on the stem. The sugarcane plant reproduces from the bud present on the stem.
Similarly, plants like a bamboo plant, a rose plant, and a pear plant also have buds on their stems. These plants also reproduce from the buds present on their stems. This is a strawberry plant. Did you see its stem? This is its stem. Now, tell me, has it grown straight upwards?
No, it has not. It has grown along the ground instead.
The stem of a strawberry plant helps it spread over a large area. This kind of stem is known as the runner. Now look at these roots of the strawberry plant. They have grown under the runner. Now tell me how a strawberry plant reproduces. Confused? Well, let me tell you. Let's cut a piece of the runner of the strawberry plant and plant it in the soil. Do you know what will happen?
After a few days, the runner grows into a new strawberry plant.
So a strawberry plant reproduces from its runner. And the runner is a stem. So we can say that a strawberry plant reproduces from its stem. Like a strawberry plant, plants like an ivy plant, a spider plant, and a mint plant also have runners. All these plants reproduce from their runners. Students, most of you eat potatoes as vegetables, don't you? We get the potato from a potato plant. Look at the potato plant more carefully. Do you see the potatoes there? Though the potatoes grow under the soil, they are not the roots of the plant.
They are the underground stems.
Look at this potato carefully. What do you see?
You can see different buds growing out from the potato. The part of the stem that bears the buds is called the node.
There are many nodes on the potato. The distance between each node is called the internode. The internode also bears buds.
These buds grow into a new potato plant. So, a potato plant reproduces from its stem.
Now look at this ginger plant. A ginger plant also has an underground stem. A new ginger plant can grow out of the ginger stem. So a ginger plant also reproduces from its stem. Students, now let me tell you an interesting kind of reproduction in the plants. Have a look at this plant. Do you know its name?
It is a Bryophyllum plant.
Take a look at its leaves. Do you see the small buds arising along the leaf margin? When the leaf drops down on the ground, the bud on the leaf gets soil. Then it grows into a new Bryophyllum plant. So, a Bryophyllum plant reproduces from its leaves.
A begonia plant also reproduces from its leaf.
Now you know about the reproduction of plants from the roots, stem, and the leaves. The reproduction of plants from the root, stem, and leaves is also known as the vegetative propagation.